Righto, my name's Rich and this is It's Adventure. I'm up in the Midlands at the moment, bit of a busy weekend planned. Came up here last night, which was Thursday night. Today, Friday, I'm going over to Worcester. I'm going to pick up Bob, who's my father-in-law, and we're going to go to a motorcycle museum somewhere in Leicester. To be honest with you, I'm not sure which one it is. I'm thinking that Norton wasn't over that way. It might be Triumph. Found it, just. Big old place. First bit, this is just inside the cafe. And there is a wall of engines. That was pretty damn fascinating. Just had a tour around. Our guide was Pete. He really knows his stuff. He's obviously been around here for quite some time. Bikes, there's thousands of them. Couldn't do any videoing of the actual tour itself, but well worth a look-see. I'm not officially on the tour anymore, so I don't know if I can use it, but I'm going to have a look anyway. Look at this. That scene from The Matrix where he says he needs guns and more guns, and it just goes on and on and on. Now in the exhibition side of things, and just going to have a look in here. Really interesting stuff. That engine in there, I know it's for a bike, but it's only 3 litres, it's less than 3 litres, 2,970cc. That looks huge. Well, at least it's twin turbo. Day. It was a really good day. It's well worth a visit over here. We're in Hinkley in Leicestershire, the Triumph factory tours. Cool, very cool. It's amazing how they're expanding and how they're growing. Aiming to get from before pandemic 68,000 bikes a year sold. They're aiming for 100,000 and they're busy on this way. Back, what a cracking day. It was, awesome. The factory tour today, the site tour, the cafe was amazing. You get like a coffee and a cake given as part of the entry anyway, but it's amazing to see what they're doing there. They're really moving things on. Fascinating stuff. So well worth a look-see. Go and have a look. I'll put a link below in description. Have a look for the links through to the factory tour there. well worth a look-see. If you're in the Hinkley area, you definitely want to go and have a look at. But anyway, for now, that's it. Thank you very much for watching. My name's Rich, and this is It's Adventure.